Microsoft OneNote is a fantastic application that offers a great place to keep all of your notes handy. Renaming an open notebook is one of the common tasks which can be more troublesome than it seems. So if you want to know how to properly change a notebook's name, keep watching on this video. So the first thing you have to do is close the notebook. You can do that by locating your notebook, then right-click on it, select Close Notebook, and then also close in OneNote application. Then, open your browser, type in onedrive.live.com, and then press Enter. And then log into your Microsoft account. Once you have logged in, you'll need to find where your notebooks are stored. And once you have located it, right-click on the notebook, and then choose Rename to give it a new name. Now if you're done doing that, click Rename to save the changes. And with that, you have now properly renamed your notebook in Microsoft OneNote. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.